Hey folks, are you guys excited? The new hypercars are coming soon. One is the 1258 horsepower Mclaren W1 that will replace the Mclaren P1, and the other is the Ferrari F80, the successor of the LaFerrari. I won't personally be able to buy them unless Mr. Burns gives me a raise, but at least I can enjoy them on screen. So let's see these two cars side by side and enjoy their beauty. Why, you definitely don't want to see these two in your rearview mirror while going out for a donut run. Both his wings that goes up and down. They both have fancy opening doors too. Look at those fancy switches on the Ferrari. They look like something from a fighter jet. These two channels, they are so differently, but they are both great cars that I am sure will be monsters on the track. Which of these beauty is your favorite?